Hola my Cocolatos, it's Cocolatos and welcome to another video. So today's video is an annual Q&A thing. I don't know what to call it. I did one last year of like people asking me questions, and yeah, I'm gonna do one like every year on this day. If you want to go and see and check out that video, it's going to be in the link description, or it'll be up in the, I think it's over here, the little, what is it called? You know what it is. Oh, pop-up. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's just get on with the video. So today is December 21st, 2019. I have 89 subscribers. Yeah. I've probably uploaded 20 videos this year. I'm not exactly sure, but somewhere around there, either more or less, but I don't know from the top of my head, but I think I've done 20 videos this year. I don't know. So, I plan on doing YouTube for I don't know, forever, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure. I like making videos. They're fun to do, and I guess till I'm bored of doing videos, or I don't want to make videos anymore. I don't know. I'm not sure, but whatever. Technically I have 3 channels. I have this one, Cocolitos, and I have Chloe's Closet Blog. I haven't used that channel in I don't know how long. I was gonna do like a bunch of videos on like me doing like reviews on clothings and stuff, like what I give the rating of each item of clothing, but I didn't want to do it anymore, so I only did one video. But yeah, and then the third one is my dad's channel, or technically our channel, where we did like a video with my siblings, and it was just for fun, but it was like years ago. So yeah, those are the 3 channels, but I guess technically you could say I only have one, so, which is Cocolitos. So the YouTubers that have inspired me this year, I would say PewDiePie, just because he brought back Minecraft and it blew up, and I'm so happy about that. Yeah, I would just say PewDiePie this year. He's really inspired me, and he's like himself, and he's got like that awesome song. But yeah, I guess I mean, Markiplier inspires me too, because like he's like the greatest. He's my favorite YouTuber, but no, I would just say PewDiePie this year has inspired me this year. So yeah. So I post videos every week. I try to, at least. Like this month has been pretty busy, but usually I would post videos every week. So the social media platforms that you can find me on is Instagram. I'm usually on Instagram all the time, and you can find that in the link in the description, or right here, which is my Instagram, Cocolitos_Sams, or Cocolitos_Sams. And then you can find, and another social media platform you can find me on is Twitter, which is here. And I'm usually on there. Sometimes I'll go on there. I'll say I'm on it every day, but I'm on it every day, but not like all day, if that makes sense. I'm probably on Twitter for maybe 10 minutes, and then that's it for the day. So, and then I guess those are the only 2 Instagram or social media platforms that you can find me on. So Instagram and Twitter. And you can see that in the description below, and follow me. On Instagram I think I have like 730 followers, something like that. And then on Twitter I have, on my personal one I have think 60 or something like that. And then on my YouTube one, I have like 6. I usually don't. I'm never on Twitter, so I don't post anything on Twitter. I just look at what's going on in the world with Twitter. Twitter is like my news, and that's it. So but Instagram I'm always on. I'm always posting, or at least something like on my story or on like just my page or whatever. So yeah. I'm not exactly sure how many times Cocolatos has been searched this year. I can go look real quick. Okay, so technically never, which is probably not true, but it's what it shows on there, that Cocolatos has never been searched. So that just means you guys need to be searching me on Google and YouTube. Okay, so my most viewed video, I think it's the video where I got my my premolars pulled out. I think that one was called, what was it called? Something 4 teeth pulled or something. Let me look. Okay, so that video was called I got my 4 teeth extracted or something like that. And it had, why did I do that? Holy cow. Oh my god, I had no idea. Okay, so that's crazy. Wow. Okay. So that my most viewed video was I got 4 teeth extracted braces update, and that has 423 views. Oh god. Oh my god. Wow. And that was, what does it say? That was 6 months ago. Holy cow. And then the next video that, my second most viewed video is getting my wire put in, my first wire tightening braces update. And that one has 317 views. That is crazy. I had no idea I had that many views on those videos, and this is the first time I'm looking at it. Wow. Okay. So that's my most viewed videos. So the goals that I have for this year. I know last year I said that I wanted to do like 2 videos every week. That's a big challenge because usually I don't have that many. I mean, I do have a bunch of YouTube ideas, but I'm always afraid to do them because I don't know if they're gonna be good or if it's just like really boring, and I want to put out like good videos and stuff. So I don't know what kind of goals I have for this year, for my channel at least, but I'm not sure. I don't know. We'll see. New things that have had happen in 2019. I got my braces. I started getting those, when did I get my braces? What month? We're in December, so I got them in May, I think, yeah, somewhere around there. So I've had my braces for about 6 months now, 7 months, somewhere around there. So yeah, I've had them for a while now. But that's one thing that was new. I went to France. That was really cool. The greatest experience of my life. And speaking of that, I'm actually going on another trip next year, or 2020, whatever. In June, I'll be going to Switzerland, which is right next to France. So I'm like going back. Alright, sorry about that. I don't know why it stopped, but let's continue. So yeah, I'm going to Switzerland and I'm excited for that, and I cannot wait. I'm just, next year is gonna be really good. 2019 I would say hasn't been the best, but I wouldn't say it was the worst either. It was almost the worst. Almost. But 2019, all like the great things that have happened this year have been great, like France. What else did I do this year? Getting braces, and I sang for a convention last year. That was really cool. And yeah, 2019 wasn't very big, but there were some great moments. So I'm excited for 2020. 2020, I will be 19 years old, which will be crazy. And 19 would be my last year of being a teen, in the teenage, 19. So, which is crazy. I'm really excited about that. That means when I hit 20, I can officially be an adult, technically. I'll definitely go to college. I'm not sure where, but yeah, I'm really excited for 2020. I think 2020 is gonna be good, hopefully. I hope that it would be, but I have my hopes. So yeah. Oh God. Okay, so any advice that I have, I would say just keep your head up and just do what you love, and just be comfortable. Don't do anything that is going to force you to do what you want to do, or something that something that you have to do or that you need to do. Do what you want to do that makes you happy. Be comfortable. Do things that make you happy. Like for me, I like to go. Like I have a special spot in Toledo where I like to go and get like coffee and just listen to music, and that's like the best thing for me. That's like my special spot. And so just go to your special spot or try something new. Go and go to a restaurant that you've never been to before, or hang out with a friend, or I don't know, do something new. Do something that you usually don't do that you think would be interesting or fun to do. So just be comfortable. Do what makes you happy. So yeah, that's my advice. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, tell me what your favorite part of the video was. And again, next year I am going to Switzerland. So I have a GoFundMe page, and I have a bunch of fundraisers that are going on. So if you guys want to help contribute in my fundraising for my trip to Switzerland, it's in the description below. Go and check it out. I would greatly appreciate every bit counts. If you want to get me like 50 cents, it helps. It really does. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, tell me what your favorite part of the video was, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be next year, 2020, or maybe I'll do a Christmas video. I'm not sure. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so see you guys. Bye.